Hi there, welcome to the My Day 13 of 30-Day Healthy Lifestyle Eating Plan. I'm a spokesperson. Today we're going to start your day off with some healthy French toast. You are going to dip your bread into a batter that is made from eggs and a little bit of vanilla and cinnamon, and then cook it in a pan with a little bit of olive oil. So 2 slices of whole grain bread. For the batter, mix 1 egg with a 1/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk or soy milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Let's go ahead and get our pan. We're going to put a little bit of olive oil in the pan on medium heat. Once your pan is heated, go ahead and pour your batter into the pan. When your French toast is almost done cooking, go ahead and add your berries on top. Once they're heated through, you can serve and enjoy. This is such a delicious and nutritious breakfast. All right, moving on to lunch, we're going to make a quinoa and veggie bowl. So for this recipe, you're going to start out by cooking your quinoa according to the package directions. While your quinoa is cooking, go ahead and dice up your broccoli and tomatoes and set them off to the side. Also, if you are using black beans for this recipe, make sure to rinse them well if you're using canned. So once your quinoa is cooked, go ahead and add in your 1/2 cup. Then we're going to add in our 1/2 cup of the broccoli and tomato mixture. Add in your 1/4 cup of black beans, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Give this all a toss to combine, and then add in your apple slices on the side. And this bowl is packed with flavor, fiber, and protein. It is so delicious and satisfying. All right, moving on to a snack. And today we're having 1 low-fat plain Greek yogurt, 6 ounces, or low-fat cottage cheese. And then we're also going to add in about a 1/2 cup of Kashi 7 whole grain flakes cereal and a teaspoon of cinnamon. This is such a delicious, easy snack. It's high in protein and fiber, and it will keep you full and satisfied until your next meal. And now let's move on to dinner. We're making a pan-seared salmon over kale salad. So to begin, you're going to pan-sear your salmon. I have a wonderful recipe that I'll link below that shows exactly how to do this. But while your salmon is cooking, let's move on to the salad. So for this salad, you're going to whisk together a lemon juice, an olive oil, some salt and pepper, and then add in your kale. Toss it to coat, and then set it off to the side. Once your salmon is finished cooking, you can go ahead and add it on top of the kale salad. And this meal is delicious and nutritious. It's full of lean protein, healthy fats, and fiber. I hope you enjoyed today's menu. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in how you feel every day. We'll see you next time.